Today I'm here just a little early because the Premier League returns tonight. Alright, let me just jump straight right in and tell you that this is not going to be about any of the top clubs. This is about the three newly promoted sides from Tier 2 of the English football to the top tier. Leeds United, West Brom and Fulham, who are coming in from the Championship into the Premier League. Now, they have a real chance of creating a piece of history tonight on the opening fixture day. Bear with me, this is going to get slightly technical and I'm going to try to explain it to you as well as I can. For the first time in the history of the Premier League, there is a good chance that the three teams who have come from a lower tier of English football to the Premier League can win all their opening day fixtures. This has never happened before, that each of these three teams have won their opening fixtures, and it is a possibility today. Now, this is not just an out-of-the-box possibility. This is something that can happen and it has statistical data to back it up. And I'm going to walk you through each of these possibilities. Let's first start with Leeds United. So Leeds United go play Liverpool today. Liverpool are the defending champions, but Leeds United in the history of the Premier League era have never lost an opening day fixture. They have either won the fixture or they have drawn the fixture. Liverpool are the defending champions, but the last time a newly promoted side played a defending champion in the Premier League's opening day fixture was in 2016, when Hull City faced off against Leicester City. Guess who won that game? It was Hull City. So there is backup for Leeds United to go on and win this game. Next up, West Brom. Okay, so West Brom are going to play Leicester City. Now, West Brom, the last two opening day fixtures they played in the Premier League, they won both of them. And Leicester City have not won an opening day fixture since the 2015 season. So West Brom, you have a good chance of winning tonight again. Now the third team, Fulham. Now their situation is slightly complicated. Fulham's record on the opening day fixture is the 10th best amongst the 20 teams that are going to take part in the Premier League today. Now it's a very respectable 10th place because they are the newly promoted side and they're not as big a club. So the fact that they're 10th is very respectable. And Arsenal, now funnily enough, Arsenal's situation is so that since 2009, they've never won two consecutive opening day fixtures. So last year they had won their opening day fixture, and so the trend suggests that they're going to lose this year. So, I mean, the stars are perfectly aligned for these three teams to go and achieve that little piece of history. Now, before you Premier League loyalists come jumping on me saying that this is not possible, let me just tell you that I know that football matches are not won with maths and stats and those kind of things. And yeah, this was just a very small little fun preview to the opening fixtures tonight. And I hope you guys go and watch the new season. It's going to be really exciting. And if you don't have a club to support, let me suggest someone to you. Go support Leeds United. You're not going to be disappointed. Also, small little secret. A couple of friends of mine have already predicted that Leeds United are going to be the next Premier League champions. Fingers crossed. I hope they're right.